I have in my hand the 9-page executive order by the President of the United States. It's entitled Protecting the Nation from Foreign Terrorists. Pretty good objective. When you read Section 2, it says, it's the policy of the United States to protect its citizens from foreign nationals who intend to commit terrorist attacks in the United States and to prevent the admissions of foreign nationals who intend to exploit United States immigration laws for malevolent purposes. I don't know how anybody could disagree with that. Talks about the idea of protecting against anybody who would oppress Americans of any race, gender, or sexual orientation. Core values of what this country is about. But as the pro tem mentioned, it is always the insidious nature of any document or any congressional act or any statute or any ordinance to couch it in the terms that look like and embrace what we think are core American values. There was a great case that my dad used to always talk about called Yickwu versus Hopkins in 1889. San Francisco case, the United States Supreme Court, and basically what happened was the ordinance said if you had a wood laundry, it was against the law, but if you had a brick laundry, it was legal. Well, when you looked to the application of the law, it turns out the only people that had wood laundries were Chinese people, and the only people that had brick laundries were Anglo people. And the Supreme Court in Yickwu versus Hopkins said, the law itself is to be fair on its face and impartial in its appearance. But it looked to and stood for a hard, fast principle of American jurisprudence that says you look to the intent of the law, you look to its application, you look to its effect. And when you look at this 9-page executive order that looks legitimate on its surface, what happens is no different than what we saw in Yickwu versus Hopkins in the sense that a small group of people, based upon their religion, based upon their status, are denied fundamental rights. And so I stand here today in strong support of this resolution because it reflects the reality, the cornerstone of those principles, and is at the core of who we are. And no matter who it is, Democrat or Republican, to me it is not an issue of partisanship. It is an issue of understanding these fundamental fair values of what we're about. I think it's a smart resolution. I think it's timely, particularly given the circumstances, to stand tall for these important values. I urge your support of this resolution. Thank you.